Because I'm a nice person.
Aww. You are. Okay. Guys, another one. I'm here with Bonetics.
What's up, guys? This is Ida's video part 2. She's gonna give me some Croatian words that I can't read properly, and you're gonna laugh. Let's go!
Okay, let's try it. First one.
First one, okay.
Salata.
Salada.
You love this one.
Salad. Am I correct? Yes! Yes!
Okay, good job. That was easy though.
Nothing on my dance when I just started. What the hell, man?
And the best, like, I'm sorry.
What?
Torta.
Torta. Tortoise.
No. You love this one and you eat it like for your birthday. And
cake.
I just bought, yeah.
Did you buy cake?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah, you
Really?
did. I don't like
Really?
that
Like
cake that you bought.
15 minutes ago, like, really? You forgot. That's because you were late. Okay.
Oh, that's how you want to
Okay.
put that in the video as well? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I see how it is.
That's the bloopers part. Okay.
The bloopers.
I'm
The bloopers. The bloopers. This is the bloopers.
Trepavica.
Šlepavica.
Trepavica.
Šlepavica.
Trepavica.
Šlepavica.
Trepavica.
Trepavica.
Yes.
Okay.
Trepavica.
Again? What? Why am I saying this so many times?
You don't have to. Just.
Šlepavica. Trepavica. Šlepavica. Trepavica. Trepavica. No, it's my song. No.
Oh,
Trepavica. Trepavica.
hey, go.
She's making fun of me.
So tell me, what is that?
Again!
I'm sorry, okay?
Oh, come on!
I'm sorry.
This phone is going outside the window.
What is that? Like, it's a part of your face.
To the people that are watching.
Okay.
To the people that are watching, man. You can
Shout out on Facebook. Okay, go.
You just ruined everything.
Oh,
I'm joking. Cut
okay.
this bit out. Cut this bit out. Cut this bit out.
Oh my god, like, really?
Ah, she's strangling me. Stop. Okay, ready. What did you say?
Trepavica.
Well, I'm good looking, so every part of my face is amazing, but I'm just trying to think of something. Oh! No, your face. Your ears. Trepavica.
Yeah.
Okay, what did you say? A part of your face, your nose.
No.
Your mouth?
No.
Huh?
Eyelashes.
Really? Why would I know that? Oh my gosh! Not even ears, eyelashes. This challenge is really hard.
I'm sorry. Okay, this one is like really easy. You know this one. Mice.
Mice, what? Mice?
No.
Rats?
No.
Top? It's a top. I'm joking.
And then my phone is okay, I'm sorry. Excuse me, well, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Let me know when you can like. Oh, can we?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Snake.
Snakes.
No.
What?
Really?
Snickers.
No.
Oh.
You guys, if you wanna eat snake, you better go to the shops and buy
Snickers.
some
What is
snake.
this? What is it?
When it's cold outside.
Scarf.
No.
Jacket.
No, you don't wear it.
Oh.
Really, really cold.
So what could it be?
It's snow. Your face, I'm like. Okay. Keisha.
Keisha. Oh, Keisha is a girl's name.
Yeah, could be. In Croatia, Keisha. You're
Kiwi.
looking at no.
Kiwi. You know, like the green thing under the
I
ground.
know what is kiwi. Like really.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Really, I'm sorry. I'm from Croatia. I don't know what is a kiwi. Okay, we also say kiwi for it, so I'm sorry. So you're like looking at it outside.
Trees.
No.
Houses.
No.
Rain.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Keisha. Okay, the next one. Lopta.
Lopta. Lopta. It sounds like fish.
Lopta. Hey, what? Really?
Lopta. It sounds like fish. Is it fish?
No.
It's a spider.
No.
Is it close?
No.
Yeah, what is it?
Really?
Give me an example.
Lopta is a spider.
I don't know because I thought of one. What is
Oh my
it?
god. It's like It's for the sport. When you
Oh,
play.
don't worry, I got it. It's a basketball.
I mean, it's a ball, but yeah.
Football.
It's a ball, like generally.
Tennis ball. Baseball.
Okay.
Baseball?
No, it's a ball, like a ball. Like a ball. Like in general, like.
Like how?
You know, you're like, you're like, oh shit, you're so mean. I hate you, like really. Oh my god, I cannot. Ah.
Yeah, carry on.
Bloopers. So like,
Oh, your hair. Is this real?
No, it's fake.
Oh, okay. Cool. I thought so.
Yeah, I know. No, you can.
Stop being sarcastic, man.
Stop being rude, man.
Stop being rude, man.
Really? Why are you laughing now?
Give me the next one right now, man.
Okay. Oh.
Next one.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, damn.
Go.
Nose. Nose.
No, nose. Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that was really easy. Shit. Oh. Ljudi, trebate mi reći neke vaše riječi. Ja uvijek uzmem neke full lagane. Treba mi neke teže riječi. Molim vas, ostavite mi u komentarima. Guys, that was it. Thank you, Bonetics, for being in this video. You can check him out on Instagram and follow him. And see you next time.